Hey guys, welcome to a new video on cryptophonics. In this video, we'll be discussing a swing trading strategy using two indicators and Heikin-Ashi candles. So the very first thing, this is the hourly chart of Tesla. The very first thing that we'll be doing is we will be inserting Heikin-Ashi candles, going to the indicators tab. We'll tap VWAP, volume weighted average price. This is going to be the first indicator we'll be using today, VWAP. And the second one will be pivot points. Pivot points standard. That's going to be the one we'll be using. So this is it. I will be doing some changes. What we'll be doing is in VWAP, we will be hiding the upper band and the lower band. Yeah, so this is how our setup will look. Now, coming to the strategy part. This setup will give a signal in four ways. We will be discussing about all four of them. Two will be to go long and two signals will be to short. So let's start from the long one. If we look over here now, some basics about pivot points. This is the main pivot line. S1, S2 is the support. R1, R2, R3 are the resistance levels. So if we look over here, this is the VWAP. If a stock trades above the VWAP price, this means VWAP will be acting as a support for it. Whereas if it trades below the VWAP, the VWAP line will be acting as the resistance. That's the basic of VWAP. Now, if a stock is trading above the VWAP and also is above its support level, or for example, or we will be referring it as the lower line and the upper line. Okay, so if a stock or a crypto is trading above its VWAP and is just near to its below line, just like this point, what we will be seeing is an up move. This is a signal to buy. So this is the very first thing. If a stock or crypto is trading above its VWAP and also the support level of the pivot chart, this is a signal to buy. What's the result? This results in an up move. Now, if you look over here, the price is below the VWAP and also it breaks the below level, which was supposed to act as a support, but it did not act like one. After breaking the support, what we observe is a down move. So the sell signal is trading below the VWAP, giving a close below the lower line. That's a signal to sell. This point over here, trading below the VWAP, closing below the lower line is a signal to sell. That's the second signal. So till now we have discussed a signal to go long and a signal to go short. Now, let's look over here. At this point, the price is below the VWAP, but the lower line is not broken. This is a no trade zone. We will not be initiating any kind of trade over here. Whereas at this point over here is the stock is trading below the VWAP. Here, this candle gave a close below the support or the lower line. What we observe is a downfall. Now, if we look over here, this was a downfall of from 840 levels to 800 levels. This was a downfall from 800 levels to 700 levels. If we see this was an up move from 750 levels to 820. Even the high was 870. Okay. Furthermore, backtracking, this is a no trade point as the VWAP is trading below the sorry, as the price is trading below the VWAP but is near to its support level. And as the support is not broken, it is not a signal to buy or sell. Now, look over here. What we can see is the price is above the VWAP but could not break the upper resistance level. This is a no trade zone 2. The price is above the VWAP but was not able to break the resistance level. So this is a no trade point. Now, if we look over here, the price gave a closing above the VWAP and also broke the resistance level. So what we observed is an up move. An up move from the level of 870 to the level of somewhat around 922. The high of the candle is 922. So an up move of somewhat around 50 points. Now, look over here. The price is trading below the VWAP, gave a closing below the support, signal to short, result down move. And also, now this point is giving us a third signal over here. What we can see is the price over here is near the VWAP and also near the support level. So this can be a contra bet for us. This is the third signal I was talking about. This is a signal to go long, but this will be a buy signal only for the risky traders. The safe traders will avoid going against the trend. The safe traders will be initiating a trade only if the support or the resistance level is broken. The third and the fourth options or the part of the strategy is only for the risky traders. Okay, now further back testing this point over here. This the price is above the VWAP and also near the support level. Result up move. The price is above the VWAP and near the support level. The support was not broken. Result up move. An up move from 900 levels to 946. Okay, so look over here. The price is below the VWAP. Over here, the price is below the VWAP, but the lower line is not broken. No trade point. Look over here again. The price is above the VWAP and also near to the lower line. Signal to buy, result up move. And up move from 900 levels to 935. Okay, this is again a no trade point. The price is below the VWAP, but the support is not broken. Now this point over here, the price is above the VWAP, breaks the upper level, result an up move. This is a signal to buy. Now, so this was a buy signal. This point over here, price below the VWAP, closing below the support line, signal to short, result down move. Okay, now let's check it out on Bitcoin. So we're doing the same thing. We'll be finding the trades. Now look over here. This is for the risky traders. This point over here, price above the VWAP near to the support level, signal to buy, result up move. Now, if you look over here, the price is above the VWAP, broke the resistance level on the upper side. This is a buy signal for every kind of trader, whether the risky one or the safe one. This one, up move was seen. This point over here, consolidation, range bound zone. If you look over here, the candle could not give a proper closing above the resistance level. So no trade zone. But what I'm trying to point out about the fourth part of the strategy is, if the VWAP, if the price is below the VWAP and is closer to the resistance level, this is a signal to sell only for the risky traders. The safe traders will not be initiating a trade here. The risky traders will be creating a short position over here, and the future will tell us what happens over here. So, this is of 2nd March 2022. Do find out in the future what happens. Now, this is a sell signal for the risky traders. Further back, this is a no trade zone. Was the price was trading below the VWAP, but the support level was not broken. This part over here, price trading above VWAP, gave a closing above the support resistance, result up move. An up move from 36,400 levels to 39,500 levels. This point over here, trading below the VWAP, closing below the support, result downfall. This point over here for the risky traders, trading above the VWAP, near to the support level, result up move. Up move from 38,000 levels to 39,250. This point over here, trading above the VWAP, gave a closing above the resistance level, result up move from 37,400 levels to 37,900 levels. This was a smaller move. This point over here, closing below the VWAP, trading below the VWAP, gave a close below the support level, signal to short, result down move from the level of 38,360 to 36,560. Now this point is a no trade zone, trading below the VWAP, but the lower line was not broken. This point over here is a signal to sell. The price is below the VWAP and also a candle gave closing below the lower line. Result downfall. Now this candle was of 39,878, opened at 39,878, and this one was of 38,760 levels. This is a no trade zone, trading below, the price is trading below the VWAP, but the support is not broken on the lower side. No trade zone. This point over here, the price is trading below the VWAP, also break the support on the lower level, signal to sell, result good downfall. This point over here, price trading above the VWAP, after the trading above, after the price is trading above the VWAP, the second signal that we wait for is a closing above the resistance level. This point over here gave the closing above resistance level, signal to buy. Result is an up move. This one signal to sell. Price is trading below the VWAP, broke the support level, gave a downfall. Now, so many examples can be found over here. Look over here, this point. Trading near the support, above the VWAP, a buy signal for the risky traders. So, what we discussed in the video is 4 signals: 2 to buy, 2 to sell. 2 signals are for safe traders and for the risky as well. But 2 signals will be specifically for the risky traders. Whenever the stock is near its support or resistance level, and also the VWAP is being respected, at those points what we need to do is we need to wait for a proper breakout. However, the risky traders can initiate a trade, but the trade needs to be initiated in a direction as suggested by the strategy. So this is it for this video. For more such content, stay tuned with us. Thank you.